next story is written by
Emma V,
Isael,
Danielle,
Angel,
Andrew.
and this is our story.
and it is called Max and the Rich Boat.
My name's Max.
His name's Max.
I'm a professional cameraman. I got a curly mustache.
Look at his mustache.
I got a plan.
Listen to his plan.
In the Atlantic Ocean, there's a 5-star boat. I'm gonna find it, the Great Titanico.
Find the Great Titanico. Find the Great Titanico.
Look, I found it.
Look, he found it.
I'm gonna get on board now. Got my camera.
Got his camera.
Going up to the 6th floor to find the popular people like Mike Jorson and Mrs. Rich. If I can take their picture, I'll be rich and popular just like them.
He'll be popular like them. He'll be popular like them.
Get in line, get in line.
There's 2,000 people in this line.
Get in line, get in line.
There's 2,000 people in this line.
Get in line, get in line. Get in line, get in line.
If you want to see the popular people, you gotta stand in this long, 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 long line.
Does anyone wanna see some pictures? Some really cute. Come on now, I take better, cuter pictures than anyone around. Hey, look at this poodle dog. Tell me that ain't cute.
It's super cute.
I took that poodle's picture at my private studio. And look at the tiger. Oh, look at his little face. I bet money that's the cutest thing you've seen today. And look at this hedgehog.
Oh my goodness, it's so cute. We pay money, good money for that.
You can put that money right here in my hand and move me up to the front of the line.
Let's go to the front of the line.
My name's Max.
His name's Max.
I'm a professional cameraman. I got a curly mustache.
Look at his
And
mustache.
achieved my plan.
He achieved his plan.
I photographed Jorson and Mrs. Rich. Posted on Insta Rainbow and Face Blue. Bought myself a luxury car. Now I'm rich and famous too.
Now he's rich and famous too. Now he's rich and famous too. Oh, yeah!
We are the Story Wranglers.